So we'll first start by loading a new file into the print. In this case, I'm going to load two pieces, a battery case and a lid. And when I'm doing this, one of the things I want to watch for is whether or not the object is placed on the print bed. In this case, it's above it, so I click yes, and that will put it on there. And then I can move this using the move tool so that I can add the lid. Also, I want to make sure that it is actually on the print bed, so by rotating it around, I can take a look at that. So once I have these loaded and placed, then I can click on print, and then I can start changing the settings for that print. So if I click on print, first I want to check the material, in this case PLA, and then I want to make sure that I have the raft enabled so that it sticks better to the print bed. Once I've done that, I can look at some of the other options, and particularly I can take a look at the temperature. Sometimes you need to adjust the temperature up or down depending on your circumstances. I found that I need to put mine at 205 and then 55 to be able to make it work. Once I've done that, then I hit print, and then it gives me a place where I can save that. Once I have saved that print, then it saves that as the x3g file, and I need to move that over to the card, the SD card, for printing. Once I've done that, I'm ready to go. Put it